Hey everyone, and welcome to week one. Today we're starting something really cool. You're going to learn how to talk to computers. No, seriously, that's what programming is. Think about this. Every time you open a game, scroll through a website, or watch a video online, that happened because someone told the computer exactly what to do, step by step, in a language it understands. That's what a programming language is. A set of commands that tell the computer what to do. And here's the wild part. Everything you see on your screen right now, your apps, your games, your videos, all of it came from a program that someone wrote, which means you could write one too. Learning to code isn't just a school skill, it's a superpower. When you learn programming, you get to build things, real things. You could create your own game, your own app. You could even become the next developer behind something like Roblox, which was built by people who started exactly where you are. And here's the bigger picture. Technology is everywhere. Our phones, our cars, our homes. The people who know how to build that technology are the ones shaping the future. That could be you. There are lots of programming languages. So why Python? 3 reasons. First, it's simple to learn. Python reads almost like plain English, making it one of the most beginner-friendly languages in the world. Second, high skill ceiling. Easy to start doesn't mean limited. Python is incredibly powerful the deeper you go. Third, it's used everywhere. Spotify, Instagram, Netflix, all built with Python. If you want to work in tech one day, this is the language to know. Python is your entry point into programming, a world where you go from using technology to creating it. Next up, we're writing our very first line of code together. Let's go.